Talk about harmonics and artificial harmonics and how to hit them. A lot of people have trouble with it, but it's really easy once you practice it. I'm going to turn on some saturated distortion and give you the feel. Hopefully it's coming across well. Those are harmonics. You could just go. That's cool, but with a harmonic it adds to it. So in order to get that cool harmonic, what I'm actually doing is when I'm hitting the note, I'm stopping it with my fleshy part of my thumb. So you're holding the pick, and then I'm stopping it with the fleshy part of my thumb. So those are harmonics, those high-pitched notes, those squeals that you hear. Again, you're just hitting the note and letting your thumb stop the string from vibrating. After you do that, it'll take a little practice. You're going to really want to vibrate that string to really just swing it out. So to demonstrate how harmonics have been used, and I'm sure a lot of you have heard this in songs before, I'll play a little part of a song that I wrote a handful of years ago utilizing harmonics. Another thing you can do, as an example, is pull off on the 3rd string, let it ring out, dive out, and just when you're halfway through the dive, tap on the 9th fret to get the screaming artificial harmonic or the screaming harmonic. And once you get that, then you can do the Eddie Van Halen dive. So it's pull off, tap 9th fret, dive. One other thing you can do with artificial harmonics when you get the hang of it is you can hit a chord, which is 2 strings, 2 notes or more. And when you hit that, you can try and do a harmonic on both strings. So you want to pinch both strings. Once you get 1 string, you can do 2. Sounds kind of like this. Alright, so I hope you guys learned something. Keep practicing. I know it's frustrating, but you'll get it. Just play as much as you can and try and have fun. Till next time, this is Steve. Keep playing.